Hi, Piper Covington, Fox News. As I told you before, we are broadcasting live from Denver, Colorado, the Democratic National Convention. I spent all day yesterday with those protesters who, let me tell you, it's quite an experience to be in the throng of that kind of violence and that kind of anger. And I also spoke with some of the good men of the Denver Police Department and sort of gauged how they were feeling about the whole situation. And I tell you, there's very opposing views here, as there is this week here at the Democratic National Convention and next week at the Republican National Convention. And I am the only one that will keep you, America, up to date. So you stay in touch with me and I'll stay in touch with you, all right? I'll see you tomorrow night on Tonight with Piper.
Hey, Piper.
Yeah.
What's the most disturbing thing you've seen on the streets of Denver this week?
Well, I would have to say that it was the row that took place between, there were some anti-abortionists that were protesting, as well as some, well, geez, I don't even really know what to call them. They all looked like teenagers to me, but they were getting into a bit of a scuffle, and I was kind of lost in the middle of it. And as you can see, I'm not a very big person, so for me to be kind of caught in the middle of that and really have no place else to go, I ended up finding a Mountie, a Denver policeman that was on a horse, of all things. You don't see that every day. And so I ended up finding him for a little bit of shelter and hid a little bit behind the horse.
I've heard that for some people the hardest thing about the week is it's been tough to get into the best restaurants.
Well, and this is part of my segment, actually, John, that I'm filming tonight. I, not a correspondent, am hitting the streets of downtown Denver to talk to the people and see how this has impacted them, and let alone the best restaurants. I want to know if I can get into them, find out where the best cocktails are and that kind of thing. And I'm going out with maybe you know him. He's a local actor in town. I hear a fashion guru as well. His name is Stephen Burge. I don't know if you know him or not, but I haven't met him yet. I'll meet him tonight.
He's our Paris Hilton.
Oh, is he really? Wow. I don't know if I should be associating myself with that, but...
Well, let me ask you one last question.
Sure.
I'm just curious, what journalism school did you go to?
I went to the University of Wisconsin, and I actually majored in communications with a minor in theater.
Thanks for joining us.
Absolutely. Thank you for having me. It's odd to be interviewed for a change. I'm used to being the other one on that side of the camera.
It's crazy, isn't it?
It is. It's nuts.
Hey, enjoy Denver.
Well, thanks. I have so far.